Take a deep breath, close your eyes if you can. This is your moment, a sacred pause in the middle of a busy world. A moment to reconnect, to center yourself, and to remember who you are. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold it for a moment. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth. With every breath, feel your body softening, your mind clearing, and your energy returning. Right now, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to prove anything. You simply need to be here. You are exactly where you need to be. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine a warm golden light at the top of your head. This light represents divine energy, pure, limitless, and calm. Feel it gently entering your mind, washing away the noise, the stress, and the distractions. With every breath, this light expands, flowing through your face, your neck, your shoulders, and down through your chest. It carries peace. It carries strength. It carries clarity. Now bring your attention to your heart. This is where your true power lives. It is the source of your motivation, your creativity, and your inner focus. Feel it beating, not just as an organ, but as the rhythm of your purpose. Say to yourself quietly, I am present. I am alive. I am focused. With each repetition, feel these words becoming truth. Your energy is not scattered. It is centered. Your thoughts are not chaotic. They are aligned. You are not tired. You are recharging from within. Now visualize your energy as a golden current flowing through your body, steady, warm, and radiant. It moves through your spine, down your arms, into your hands, and out to the world. This energy is your life force, and it responds to your intention. Focus that energy on what truly matters. Let go of distractions, let go of doubts. You do not need to chase peace. You create it from within. Inhale deeply again, and as you exhale, imagine every doubt leaving your body. Breathe in power. Breathe out fear. Breathe in focus. Breathe out confusion. Now picture yourself standing on solid ground. Above you, the sky is open and infinite. Within you, there is unshakable calm. You are not at war with your mind anymore. You are its master. Remember, energy flows where attention goes. If you focus on chaos, you feed it. If you focus on peace, it expands. If you focus on purpose, life itself begins to align with you. Repeat silently, I am calm. I am clear. I am powerful. My mind is my ally. My energy is infinite. Every word you speak to yourself shapes your reality. So choose words that elevate you. Choose thoughts that empower you. Choose to stay present. You are now surrounded by an invisible field of light, a shield of strength, positivity, and protection. This light moves with you wherever you go. It keeps you focused when the world tries to distract you. It reminds you of who you are when doubt tries to enter. Your energy is sacred. Your focus is your superpower. You don't need to do more. You need to be more conscious of where your energy flows. Take another deep breath now. Feel your chest rise with confidence. Feel your feet grounding you to the earth. Feel your mind sharp, awake, and at peace. Today you choose calm over chaos, focus over distraction, faith over fear. You are not here by accident. Everything you have gone through has led you to this moment of awareness. Carry this calm with you through your day. Let it fill your words, your actions, your presence. You don't need to chase light. You are the light. Now, one last time, repeat quietly, I am focused. I am energized. I am in alignment with my highest purpose. When you are ready, take one final deep breath. Exhale slowly and open your eyes. The peace you feel right now is not something temporary. It is the reminder of what has always been within you. As you move through life, remember that every challenge is an invitation to grow stronger. Resistance is not your enemy. It is your training ground. Just as the ocean shapes the rock through waves, life shapes you through experiences. You are not being broken. You are being refined. Feel gratitude even for the moments that tested you, for they have built the focus and energy you feel right now. Let your breath remind you of balance, the perfect rhythm between giving and receiving. With every inhale, you receive life. With every exhale, you release what no longer serves you. This simple act of breathing is a sacred exchange between you and the universe. Let it guide your energy toward what truly matters. You don't need to rush. The universe is never late. Everything unfolds in divine timing. Now visualize your goals clearly. See them as if they are already real. Feel the joy, the peace, the confidence of having achieved them. This is not imagination, it's alignment. Your energy creates your reality. Stay faithful to the vision within you. You are energy, you are focus. You are light, motivation. You need, where your awareness expands and your soul finds direction.